Hello Stampers, this is super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wisconsin, USA. Thanks for joining me on this simple greeting card demonstration. It is for World Card Making Day 2022, which is October 1st or September 30th, depending on where you're in the world. Sorry you couldn't join us on Zoom, so that's why we provided some YouTube links so that those that couldn't watch us live and craft along with us live would have YouTube links to finish their kits with. All right, so this is for a basic card, and basic cards are for card designs are for people who maybe won't appreciate all the extra details and the work and the time that you put into making cards. So what you want to do is make it as fabulous as you can, but not invest a lot of time and a lot of product in your card. So I tend to stamp the inside of my cards. That just adds a nice little wow factor. And then I've got a petal pink card base. We've got 4 different flowers, and they're kind of offset. So one is off the page there, one is off the page there, to the right, off the page, to the left. All right, so it's not in a straight line. It kind of adds a little bit of fun and function. All right, next is a scrap of petal pink. So that measures 1.5 by 1 5/8 inches, or 3.8 by 4.2 inches. It's not, the flower isn't quite of a square, so that's why it's a little more rectangular shaped. And then we're going to stamp Thinking of You. So I also like to think that the simple cards are good for sympathy. So you can think sympathy cards can be simple cards, because those are cards you need to design maybe at the last minute, and that you don't want to invest a lot of time creating them. All right, so I've got everything stamped. I'm going to put my ink pad away so I don't mess with that. Now we got our pattern paper. This is from the Texture Chic Specialty Designer Series paper, where one side has gold on it. Could certainly have that up. I like this side though. It's got the shabby chic look with the flowers. And since we're using the flowers from the Season of Chic stamp set, I want the flower pattern up. I'm also one that doesn't like a lot of gold. So we're going to put a strip of adhesive on the back. And then I'm going to take my woven ribbon in natural. It's got this light, airy texture, straight from the roll so that I don't waste any ribbon. Wrap it around that. And I think I failed to tell you the size of that Designer Series paper. And the size is 3 by 5.5 inches, or 7.5 by 14.9 inches. So I wanted it to go the full height of the card. So you cut that according to whatever market you're in. And just like that. And then we just assemble. So we can use our pop-up dots. That's a quick and easy thing to add a little bit of wow factor. Pop up that. The Thinking of You, I had flat against the card down here. And then this last little strip, which is a 1 by 4 piece, it's just an extra piece that I had. That's going to decorate the inside. And it's 2.5 by 9.5 centimeters. Again, just look in your scraps to see what you have to attach to the top. And there we have our quick and simple hand stamp greeting card. Good for something, good to send to somebody who you want to let them know that you're thinking of them, but you don't have a lot of time to invest in creating a detailed card. Oh, and this is kind of, it is not stable. I don't like that. I probably should have ran a piece of adhesive underneath there, but let's fix that with a glue dot. It was a little jiggly. There, now that won't jiggle so much. All right, be watching for my other greeting card, my Ava design, plus all of the other designs that the other demonstrators have contributed will be in your PDF file that you received from the demonstrator that you purchased a ticket to. So thanks for stamping with me, and I'll stamp with you soon. Bye.